Many years ago, it was discovered during the Stockholm, Sweden incident that brainwashing can occur really fast. If there's a lot at risk, there's intense danger, fear of something bad happening, fear of losing something, which is also something bad happening. And if the person dominating the circumstances is controlling it, the victims bond to that person because it's a primal safety act to stick to the person, to please the person who has the power so that you won't get hurt. It's brainwashing, classic brainwashing. In the case of alienated children, in a home with an abusive narcissistic parent, they've also, besides being brainwashed, they've been taught that there's a danger to opposing this person, to having an opinion of your own, to siding with one parent or one person over them. There's a danger to it. So the primal instinct goes back to the conditioning from early on to side with the person who has the control, therefore the power. This is classic brainwashing, washing and conditioning. So what can you do as the innocent parent? The best thing you can do with younger children, especially because they can't understand the psychology of brainwashing, is to take them to a counselor, a child development counselor who uses methods that can reach a child on a concrete level. They think in concrete format. If it's a teenager, you can reason with them and test them out. If everything you say is thrown back at you, if you say the sky is blue, no it's not, then they're chronically brainwashed. And if you cannot take them to counseling, the only choice you have is to be continually consistent. Do not bite into bad negative feeds. Don't get into debates with them that the other parent may have planted in their minds. If the parent X, the one who brainwashed them, tells them that you're a bad mother, there's no point saying, no, I'm not. What you can do is consider with them, remember the time when. Don't even bring that up. Remember the time when. Take them back to the pleasant memories you had with them and use those to rebuild what was destroyed. Remember the day we bought that pretty pink dress? Oh, yes, I remember that. Take them back to the emotional memories. They remember the good mother in those or the good father in those. But do not argue with them because they will become defensive. Arguing makes them stand strong because they feel threatened. They'll get into trouble with the other parent and immediately they become defensive. But if you take them to former memories, former times, happiness, shared events, you're building the emotional bond without a distraction. And that is the best thing you can do. Be consistent. Rebuild the emotional ties. Do not argue with them. Don't allow them to bait you into arguing with them. Simply state the facts. Don't debate the facts. Just state them simply. If they say you're a bad mother because you work all the time, ask them, why was I working all the time? And just let them own the answer. Do not try to control the answer. And in time, hopefully, they will come out from under this brainwashing pressure. And it is abuse. Thank you.